What if we could achieve health and happiness through the gut? Imagine being able to control mood and sleep through food. And I don't just mean eating food that makes you happy or sleepy, but being able to influence your behaviors and decisions long term using the gut. Well, what if I say that all of this is possible through the gut-brain axis? A very complex network of neurons and chemicals that allow our brain and our gut to communicate with each other as well as with the rest of our body. In addition to regulating digestion, it can regulate our emotions, mood, and sleep cycle, improve our immune systems, and even treat chronic disease. So, how does it do it? All of this is possible through bidirectional communication between the brain, the gut, and the gut microbiome. The gut houses millions of neurons that form the enteric nervous system. Of course, being in the stomach, it directly regulates digestion. It also connects to the central nervous system through the vagus nerve, which allows a direct communication with the brain, hence forming the gut-brain axis. The gut microbiome is a key component in this relationship since it can facilitate and strengthen this communication. The gut microbiome can produce compounds that humans are not able to make on their own, like bacterial metabolites such as short-chain fatty acids. It's been proven that metabolites like butyrate, propionate, and acetic acid stimulate the sympathetic nervous system, releasing serotonin and influencing cognitive processes such as memory and learning. It is through this context that they have proposed that the microbiome can influence behavior and decision making. Other important roles of short-chain fatty acids in human health include being an energy source, reducing inflammation, accelerating metabolism, and fortifying immune health. Inflammation is an important factor since it can affect other processes in the body, resulting in disease. For example, autoimmune disease. Many factors like the environment can influence the composition of the gut microbiome, but my favorite way to manipulate it is through nutrition. Consumption of fiber-rich foods and fermented foods like yogurt and kimchi are power foods for the gut, promoting the growth of good bacteria and strengthening the walls of the intestines, keeping them from leaking. We've seen studies that confirm the power of prebiotics in brain function through the improvement of the gut microbiome by testing the effects of prebiotics on decision making. What they found is that participants on prebiotic intake showed decreased brain activation towards high-caloric food and increased microbiome diversity. This means that prebiotic intake can change the way our brains perceive food, making less caloric foods more desirable. This shows great potential for treating disease such as obesity, diabetes, and irritable bowel syndrome. Another lifestyle choice that can affect the gut microbiome is physical activity. It has also been proven to help improve the symptoms of IBS by stabilizing the gut barrier, decreasing psychological disorders like depression, and promoting neurogenesis. As we see, the role of the gut-brain axis extends beyond the stomach and digestion. It influences all aspects of health from immunity to neurological. Maintaining a healthy microbiome through diet, exercise, and other healthy habits can change your bodies from the inside out, achieving happiness through the gut-brain axis. Every day, new connections are being made regarding the gut microbiome and the gut-brain axis. And every day, we're learning of new ways that nutrition can heal from the inside out. Although cliche, I do believe we are what we eat, or rather, what we eat makes us.